hurts.
You have to, I think it's like a 5-minute warm up.
Scared.
Come here, let me see what it says.
Stephanie, get out of the way.
Alright.
Do it.
I'm taking it. Alright, meow.
I hate this couch.
Is it on yet?
Actually, I don't really know what it is.
I don't understand when girls do that. Why would they
What?
on carpet?
I'm not talking about this with you.
I do like right here.
Okay.
Turn it on.
Work it. What's that?
Get Kel in here. I don't know. Fruit of the Loom.
What's
it doing?
I don't know.
Does it shock you?
What is it doing right now?
Shocky just
Beeping.
tenses your muscles.
Just do it.
Show me, I'll show you.
What's it say right there, though?
Oh, it says 45.
Okay, that's what level it's on.
Is
Oh.
that bad?
I don't know. That's nothing.
What's it start?
I don't know. I'm scared. Will it say starting?
It'll just shock you. Alright, meow.
Yeah. I really don't know. I've never put it on.
Pump up the power.
Go ask,
Oh.
Coco.
Mother! Meow. Meow.
Meow.
Everybody that comes over
Did
here
you press
has
start?
to do that.
This has been going for 2 minutes.
How do you do this? Everybody that comes over here has to try it.
Does it hurt?
If you do it on 100.
Okay, these top buttons here.
Turn it all the way up.
How, you tell me how,
Feel it?
this is just a warm up, the first 5 minutes.
Feel
Okay,
good?
I usually go about 60.
Ooh, put it on 100.
Warm up. You tell me though.
It's good.
Okay, when, this is 5 minutes, and then when the actual starts, you'll have to adjust it again, because the number will change. So you have to adjust the top buttons here.
Look at it shaking.
Was it on 60?
No, it's only on 40.
Pump it up.
Okay. No.
Go high.
No, it don't.
It's on 46%.
It hurts a little bit.
I want to see when he starts doing actual crunches.
Does it hurt?
Your little
Crunch
jaw.
it?
Get yourself worked up for it.
I can't talk.
I usually do crunches on like 60 or 70.
Is it not on 60?
No, that's only on 46%.
On it. Scratch it.
We're going to have to sit here for 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
It goes so fast.
Oh, what y'all been doing?
Glad you get a workout. Get the shake weight. Work out your
Shake weight. And in the shake weight.
You don't shake it fast enough.
Push it real fast.
Is that light bright? I can't even tell. Oh, it's pretty light.
Still recording?
Yeah. So, this is
shocking you.
this is exciting.
Stimulating the skin.
Did it real loud.
So creepy looking. It looks like you're just like jiggling your stomach.
You did it loud, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Pelvis.
That would scare it. It would hurt.
Talking about?
It would hurt. Okay.
I'm not talking
How many more minutes you got on that warm up?
It would scare it.
Okay, 1 minute, 49 seconds.
It like knocks you down. You start rolling around the seizure.
I hope it does.
It's not that bad. Andrew did it on 100. I mean, he said it hurt, but I don't really
He
love
said it was the worst pain he's ever felt in his entire life.
I don't know why there is 100. If it hurts it.
100%. Well, I usually, the highest I've done on the actual crunches is like 60, 65%.
Hurt.
What do you got now?
52, 51, 50.
It sounds like a cold.
Can't help it. Is it like tense up or something?
Yeah, there'll be a pause and then there'll be a.
Yes.
It's burning, I can tell.
Talk like my granny's neighbor.
What's the time?
10 seconds.
Yes.
Three, two, one.
It's only on 30-something. Do
it.
No.
Yes, yes, yes. Do it, do it, do it.
One hit?
No.
Still do it?
It does it for 20 minutes. Not for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, it's like a.
Turn it up.
I don't want to hurt anyone.
Don't hurt me.
When Caleb did it, he started crying. Not really, but.
Oh, it hurts.
Want it all?
I want it all.
I want it all.
How much was that little contraption?
I'm not sure.
Probably like $100.
It's hard to talk.